it's always good to spread knowledge. What Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to you, you have to make pay zakah for that.
Yes,
It shouldn't
of
be
course.
in
Yes,
terms of money.
that's also
in terms
for
of
the
gold.
information, the ilm you have.
The ilm that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you, yes, pass it to others.
Mm.
And really, from my 25 plus years of experience, I always learned when I was teaching or transferring the knowledge. Some people, they keep the knowledge to themselves. No, khalas.
Unfortunately, yes.
It's only with me, so I don't want to give it to others. Maybe they're afraid of many things.
Competition.
Maybe they will take over my job or all of that. No.
Yes.
The moment you transfer the knowledge to your subordinates, you get feedback. Really, the feedback that you need. Maybe you're wrong. Maybe you did a mistake somewhere, or maybe. And once they reach to your level, that's where it starts pushing you to go up.
Good point of view.
Yeah, you are now.
Yeah.
You are in the same level, so it will push you up. You have to study more, to learn more, to just get up in the stairs.